નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 10th, Subject Science, Chapter 11, The Human Eye and the Colorful World. Dear students, today we discuss defects of vision and their correction. So what do you mean by defects of vision? Defects means what? See, for example, some persons are able to see or clearly see the near things. But some persons are clearly seeing the far things. But some of the persons may not or will not able to see the nearer as well as farther. So this we are saying defects of vision we are saying. So this we are saying that defects. So this can be corrected also. This can be corrected by using the lens. So you have studied the lens. So here the lens topic is so useful to you for understanding the topic. Okay, students? So how it is possible? You know that ciliary muscles. The ciliary muscles will be adjusting the lens. So whenever the object is keeping one place to another place, so what the ciliary muscles will do? Adjusting the eye lens so that the image should fall on the retina. So image should fall on the retina. So the eye can see the object clearly. Okay, students? So this is the way the human eye is working. Now, dear students, here, what is accommodation? Accommodation that you have learned. The ability of the eye lens to adjust its focal length is called as accommodation. Or, what you are saying? Accommodation means power of. So, you are saying that power of accommodation. Okay. So, now, sometimes the eye may gradually lose. See, sometimes the eyes may be gradually, slowly lose its power of accommodation. So, power of accommodation, there may be a chances of becoming weak or decreases. So, due to that, eye lens also will not be flexible easily. In such conditions, the persons cannot see the objects distinctly, clearly, and as well as comfortably. So clearly as well as comfortably. So what will happen? The vision becomes blurred. B-L-U-R-R-E-D. The vision becomes blurred. Blurred means what you are saying, indistinct. You can't see correctly. Blurred. So due to the refractive defects of the eye. So this happens due to the defects. Refractive defects of the eye means the defects of the eye. So their correction can be done by using the lens. Okay, proper power. If you are using the lens, so then the persons can see the things clearly. So dear students, there are three common defects of vision. And before that, we have to think that there are 2 points you have to remember. Nearer point and far point. What is nearer point and what is far point? So nearer point means the person can see the things nearly or nearby the things able to see properly. This is the near point. But if the person, so here the textbook is given the 25 centimeter headed person, 25 centimeter is the distance. But later, according to the age, this may vary also. So this near point, for some of the person, this near point may goes wrong. or defect, then you are saying. So for those persons, they have to keep the objects or keep the things far. So suppose I have to read the textbook like this. So if I will get the near defect, then I have to hold the object like this far away I have to keep. Okay. So then this nearer point changes. It becomes far. Okay. Suppose someone has to, what you are saying? Which one? The thread they have to insert in the, where? Suji. Thread in this, what you are saying? The thread you have to pass it. So those they have to keep long. They have to keep the long distance, they have to keep and they have to insert it. So dear students, so nearer becomes far. Now you see the far point. Far point, what will happen? In needle, they have to pass it. Say, suppose here, what will I have to do? Those who have to insert the thread to the needle, they have to keep far because they have the defect of near point. Now the far point will say, the far point what becomes nearer. The person, those who are having the far point, they can see the objects, distance object clearly. And if it is something failed, they have the defect of far point, then they are not able to see the far things. So they have to they will come to the closer, so nearer becomes, far point becomes nearer. So that is only we are studying here. So there are three common refractive defects of vision or refractive defects of vision. Both are same. So myopia is your nearsightedness. In Hindi we are saying nikata durdrashti. And hypermetropia or farsightedness, this is durdrashti you are saying. And next one is presbyopia. So this is old eye you are saying, old age. See dear students, how you have to remember this? So these are all confusion. Myopia, nearsightedness. See, myopia is here smaller from this letter to this. So you have to remember nearsightedness. But you see the farsightedness, this spelling is IH2A very far. So then you can remember farsightedness. So in this way, also you can, without confusion, you can remember the nearsightedness and as well as farsightedness. And presbyopia, there is no problem. So now we will study that. So this the defects can be corrected by using the spherical lenses. So we discuss now what is myopia. Myopia is also known as nearsightedness. Okay, a person with myopia can see nearby the objects clearly. So nearby the objects clearly, but cannot see the distant, the far object distinctly. So cannot see the far object not properly. So a person with this defect has the far point. So I told you, here near is there, far point will come. Far point nearer than the infinity, far. Such a person may see clearly up to a distance of few meters. Okay. In myopic eye, the image of the distant object is formed. See, look the diagram now. See, here is the far point of the myopic eye. Far point of the myopic eye. So you see here, this is, some students will think that this is the correct eye. It is not the correct eye because here far point is far point. So actually what is that? The object is here, the far, actually this one is here. Okay. But it is nearer, it becomes nearer. So this is actually far point of a myopic eye. So if it comes here, so that this image falls on the retina, so the person can see properly. But you see the myopic value, you see the myopic value actually here, this one is not. This one is the far. This object, suppose it is there here. So what will happen? The image will fall before the retina. So that's why you have the name, you have the nearsightedness. So that's why you got the name nearsightedness, because the image falls before the retina. So that's why the word you got it nearsightedness. But actually the image is, if it comes here, near, then only the image falls on the retina. So now how this can be corrected? If you are placing the here, see here you remember that there are two lenses. This one is convex lens and this one is concave lens. See here the gap is small, near, and this one is far. So you have to use the concave lens. You have to use the concave lens. Then what will happen? The image will fall. The image will fall where? It will fall here. See, image will fall here. So that the image will fall here. Okay. So then this reflection will be what? On the retina. The image will be what? The fall on the retina. See, the image will come here after the reflected, and this image falls on the retina. So that I thought that this is the object. So then able to, this is the erect one. This is the erect object. So I will notice the object. So this way, correction for the myopia is given. This is the correction for myopia. So dear students, now we'll see this defect may arise. In myopic eye, what will happen? The image of the distant object is formed in front of the retina. See, formed in front of the retina. And not at the retina. Okay. So this defect may arise due to excessive curvature of the eye lens. See, remember, dear students, this you have to remember properly. This defect arising due to the excessive means very big curvature of the eye lens, and also elongation of the eyeball. Elongation means becomes bigger of the eyeball. So this defect can be corrected by using the concave lens. So this defects by using the concave lens. See here what you have used here. Here you have used the concave lens. See dear students. Remember that concave. I told you how to remember also. See the concave mirror. Here this one is very short. So near. So in this way you can avoid the confusion also. Okay, so a concave lens of a suitable power will bring the image back onto the retina. Will bring the image back onto the retina, and thus the defect is corrected. So thus the eye defect can be corrected. So what are the ideas, students? See here you have to remember the diagram, and sometimes in the examination asking what is myopia or what do you mean by nearsightedness, draw and explain with diagram. So this you are able to what? You are able to write it properly, able to write. Okay, so for proper study is required. So read it well and diagram also practice. Okay students. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining us.